Welcome to Jennifer and new OPPO A94, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume of this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Now just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot to the right side with your finger. Also, we can do it by the second way, but first be sure that you have selected here ringtone volume, and now just press up volume button. We can also unmute device ringtone, and also we can do it by the third way. Just press up or down volume button and with your finger slide to the up this volume panel, and that's it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.